Some garden rules were made for large commercial farms, not for small backyard gardens like us. Today, I am sharing the rules I break all the time and my garden still produces. Welcome and welcome back to another Gardening with Stacey. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I appreciate you all and God bless you all. I grow my food here in Portmore, Jamaica, and experience has taught me that principle matters more than strict rules. Look at these beauties and my two cherries. And I'm getting a little strawberry right here. All right, so the first rule, I don't follow seed packets spacing exactly. Seed packets are designed with commercial farming in mind because what happens, wide spacing allows machineries to pass through fields quite easily, and it also helps with uniform harvesting. But in my backyard, I grow more intensively. For example, I plant my lettuce closer together than recommended. As they grow, the leaves touch and shade the soil. So that natural shading helps reduce moisture loss, especially here in Portmore, Jamaica. I've also planted string beans closer than recommended. And that's because I try to maximize on my space. Like you see these string beans right here, they're in this container that has my star fruit tree in there. So I put them closer to the edge and let them fall over like this because airflow still does matter. So I don't overcrowd blindly, but I don't follow wide spacing like it's law. I can tell you that commercial spacing maximizes per acre efficiency and machine access, not small backyard productivity. Many people think that plants need daily watering, especially in the tropics, but plants grow deeper roots when they have to search for water. When I just started gardening, I water lightly, partially every day. But in dry conditions, probably for a week, you could see how badly my plants did. Now I water deeply, then allow the top layer to dry slightly before watering again. I also mulch heavily with sawdust sometimes, leaves, dry grass, banana trash, whatever you can find to mulch, I use them. My pepper plants especially, they respond well to deep watering. But there's a thin line between deep watering and overwatering. So you have to be careful not to overwater your plants because that will lead to root rot and fungal problems. I directly sow most of my crops. In warm climates like ours, the soil is naturally warm enough for germination most of the year. And so I direct sow beans, cucumbers, and sometimes leafy greens. I don't break rules because I'm careless. I break them because I understand why they exist. Understanding principles gives you freedom. Following rules blindly limits you. Comment below and tell me what garden rule you secretly break. I hope this video was useful to you. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, walk good.